y'all babies doing today? Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning. If y'all don't know that song and don't get that reference, I'm sorry. So you guys would have just seen me do my early morning workout. So got my workout in, so now I'm gonna start the day, and this is gonna be a spend the day with me vlog while I'm on vacation. You know what a typical day looks like for me. So let's go. Alright guys, the first agenda for today is, oh guys, this is my brother Moses. Y'all ain't never seen him on here. So we're going to the post office because I brought some stuff for Glenna, but I didn't get a chance to see her, so I'm just gonna send them off in the post. So that's where we're headed to now. Close this flap first. Alright guys, I got back from the post office, and that was my first time sending anything at the post office here. It was low-key traumatic. Like, I'm just so used to, let's just say that self-help is a huge thing here, so much so that you get no help at all. So that's the best way I can put that. But I got to send off the stuff to Glenna, and I came back and I fell asleep because your girl was tired. I'm still in my gym clothes, you know how bad that is? But my ass fell asleep. So I'm awake now, so I'm about to record a video for IG and bathe because, yeah. So this video is actually gonna be a transformation video, and y'all see how I'm looking busted every time I travel. I get a bump here. You believe me? That's, I don't like that for me. Anyways, I have this package here for some Zimmy products that I ordered on Amazon, so I need to do a promo video for it. So I'm gonna go record that now, so I can show and get ready and, you know, look cute. Maybe I look cute for this. I'm gonna look busted now, but I'm gonna look cute later. Okay. All right, I go. So here's a funny story. I wanted the Amazon truck for this video, but obviously I couldn't get it because I didn't know when they dropped it off. I come out here to record it at the door. The Amazon truck's here, so I get the footage. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna try and make this look real. Let's go. Let's do that again.
Many hours later.
Guys, I finally finished recording all of my TikTok content. It took this long because I kept on falling asleep or deciding to watch a K-drama episode. You know, life comes at you fast. Now it's 6 p.m. and we have 100 million things to do. Like randomly find a spot to take photos because your girl is looking cute. No, but for real, we have a bunch of things to do today that I can't remember what they are, but I mentally made a list because Moses said I had to.
We are going to thrift one last time.
Yes!
We're going to go to my favorite Target, which is the Caucasian Target.
We'll have to go to a Walmart too.
And then we'll stop at Walmart last because I just hate
I need to go to the dollar store too.
The dollar store?
Mm-hmm. Not the Dollar Family, the dollar store. So the Dollar Tree, the one where everything costs $1 or most of. Yeah, because I'm not in nothing else. Alright, I don't know if we're gonna find somewhere to take photos because we can't just stop in front of people's houses and take photos, you know. This is America, like that's not how this works. But let's see. Alright guys, this is a spot. It's not looking real spotty right now, but once we get them photos in, it should. hopefully it might.
Yeah, we'll make it work.
Moses did the damn thing. We came up with something.
We didn't even have to try it.
I don't want no ice cream. Who the hell's in that? We just went to the dollar store, y'all, and we got strawberry short. Y'all can't see that. Oh my god. That's exactly what was supposed to happen. Okay?
I don't have a flat dashboard, bro.
Yeah, that's what I realized. Anyways, this is what we got. What is?
Compared to the original, honestly, I'd give it like a 7 out of 10.
I'm just gonna ask if it tastes like poverty since $1 for free.
No, it's like surprisingly good.
That wasn't.
Yeah, like the ice cream is actually like creamy. Like I thought it would be like icy and fucking gross.
I'm not mad. You haven't eaten ice cream since we're coming now?
For real?
That's not good ice cream, no?
We ate ice cream yesterday.
No good ice cream.
Well, that's fair.
Like a Cold Stone or so. Alright guys, we're gonna go to Walmart now. See you there. I got to do things my own way, darling. Will you ever let me? Will you ever respect me? No. Do things my own way, darling. You should just let me. Why you would never let me grow? Alright guys, we made it to Walmart.
Here we are.
I want to see if we can get some graphic tees in here.
You got like a good chance of finding something good, but like it's a real hit or miss. Like I've found some good ones, but then like I've come for 6 months straight and not got anything. So.
Yeah?
Yeah.
My t-shirt's from here.
For real?
Yeah.
I agree for this. Favorite ramen shirt.
Oh my god, I need it. Oh, but it's Marchuchan. But I'm gonna buy it still. $3 too. Hey, I'm buying it. Wait, is it $3? No, it's not. It's $12. Why did I buy it for $12? Oh, could I like ramen, so. Guys, look at the shirt I just found. There's no way I could leave it because y'all know this life is a scam and I 0 out of 10 do not recommend, okay?
Real shit.
So I'm getting this.
I was running into adulthood for no reason.
Scam. And I'm getting this. No bad vibes. It's me. I'm bad vibes. But I'm getting it still. So we're doing good. We're doing good. We made it back home. So finished up at Walmart. And we got Chinese. And I'm super excited because I've been wanting Chinese food since I've been here. And you know, like how people love Jamaican Chinese food, I love American Chinese food. Like I've had the MSG, I've had extra zing, and that me like. So let's eat. So here's a next thing that I really love when I get here. Crab rangoon. So it's a crab and cream cheese together. Normally it comes with like a nice sweet and sour sauce, but we didn't get any in the bag. Moses ordered chicken wings, which are always great.
Fantastic.
And I ordered shrimp and broccoli. So let's eat. Alright guys, fortune cookie time. We can't not do the fortune cookie, but I say what kind of good things that come my way. But I have no dumb shit. The last time I got a fortune cookie, it was like something that didn't make sense. Okay, ready? Jesus, it's stuck. Okay. I saw them it's there. Oh, wrong side, me there, read out. It says, how about another fortune? Just like I said, God no. Never mind tomorrow. Today is the day. That's not bad. The day don't steal, but that's not bad.
Talking about you pack it.
I'll say it's there. I have to go pack. I just want to go on my bed. You don't want to pack? 8 pack? No, like packing always stress me out.
It's alright, you know, it's gonna be a good year. It's about to be underweight. You feel me? It's about
My brother be knowing.
It's about everything's gonna fit.
In Jesus' name. In other one little suitcase. Who say go? I'm stressed out at the thought. Alright, go. Okay, so I have all these things. These are new clothes on the bed. These stuff over here. That box. These bags to pack in this one suitcase. So I really need to finish packing today, so I know for sure that they can hold in it and not be overweight, or if I need to get an extra luggage. So let's do this. Let's get this shit. Oh. Here at Morgan's Pier in Philadelphia. There's live music. There's a pier behind us. There's pumpkins for you to carve. You know, there's a lot to do here, so let's check it out. I know you probably saw footage earlier with no introduction. I'll probably do an introduction after, so probably this will become void. But now we're here at the Mutter Museum in Philadelphia. So let's see what they have to offer. First of all, can we talk about my outfit, because it's giving for me.